Welcome to House Lux Estate, the go-to place for all your financial and property management insights. We are your trusted guide on this journey to financial freedom, offering you a wealth of knowledge and strategies that will help you navigate the complex world of finances and property management. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on many minds: early retirement. The key to achieving this dream lies in effective financial planning. It's not just about saving, it's about making your money work for you, so you can enjoy the fruits of your labor sooner rather than later. Whether you're just starting out or already on your way, we're here to help you forge the path to a comfortable and secure retirement. Remember, your journey towards financial independence starts with a single step, so don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful content. Today, we dive into the process of developing a financial plan for early retirement. So buckle up and get ready to take some notes. Early retirement sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what does it entail exactly? Let's dive into that. Early retirement is the concept of leaving your full-time job or career at an age significantly younger than the traditional retirement age. It's about gaining more control over your time and life earlier than most. There are many benefits to early retirement. It gives you the opportunity to pursue passions, hobbies, or even a second career. It allows more time for travel, family, and personal development. However, it's not without its challenges. Financial stability is crucial since you'll need to support yourself for a longer period without a regular income. Healthcare costs can be a significant concern, especially in the United States. It's also important to consider the social aspect. You may feel isolated if your peers are still working while you're retired. Early retirement requires careful planning and discipline, but the freedom it offers can be quite rewarding. The first step in planning for early retirement is understanding your current financial situation. So let's dive into that. Imagine your financial status as a snapshot, a moment in time capturing your income, expenses, savings, and debts. Consider your income. This isn't just your monthly paycheck, but also any side hustles, rental income, dividends, or pensions. Now, turn your attention to your expenses. How much are you spending on necessities like food, housing, utilities, and transportation? Don't forget your discretionary spending on things like entertainment, vacations, or dining out. Next, examine your savings. Do you have an emergency fund? How much is in your retirement accounts? And finally, assess your debts. This includes car loans, student loans, credit cards, and mortgages. Understanding your financial status is not about judgment, but about awareness. It's about knowing where you stand, so you can chart a course for where you want to go. Having a clear picture of your finances is the foundation of your early retirement plan. Now that you know where you stand financially, it's time to determine where you want to be. Setting clear and realistic retirement goals is a crucial step in your early retirement planning. At the heart of it, your retirement goals will be the guiding light that will help you navigate through various financial decisions. So, what exactly are retirement goals? They're essentially the lifestyle you envision for yourself after you stop working. Do you see yourself traveling the world, living in a quaint cottage by the sea, or maybe even starting a small business? Your retirement goals can be as diverse and unique as you are. However, it's not just about dreaming big. It's equally important to be realistic about your goals. This means considering factors such as your health, your expected lifespan, inflation rates, and the cost of living in your chosen retirement location. Once you have a clear picture of your retirement goals, the next step is to calculate the amount you'll need to live comfortably. This is where things can get a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Start by estimating your annual expenses in retirement. A common rule of thumb is to aim for about 70 to 80% of your current income. However, this can vary depending on your individual circumstances and retirement goals. Next, consider any income you'll have in retirement, such as Social Security, pensions, or rental income. Subtract this from your estimated annual expenses to find out how much you'll need to save each year. Lastly, factor in the number of years you expect to live in retirement. Remember, with advances in healthcare, many of us can expect to live well into our 80s or even 90s. By doing these calculations, you'll have a rough estimate of the total amount you'll need for a comfortable retirement. This number might seem daunting at first, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. Remember, your retirement goals should be as specific as possible to guide your financial decisions. Your financial freedom awaits, and with clear and realistic retirement goals, you're one step closer to making your dreams a reality. With your retirement goals set, you need a solid plan to reach them. Now let's dive into the heart of financial planning, developing a saving and investment strategy. This is where the rubber meets the road. The first part of this strategy involves reducing expenses. This doesn't mean you have to live like a hermit, but it does mean making conscious decisions about where your money goes. For example, you could opt for a smaller, more affordable home or choose to cook at home more often instead of dining out. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can be invested towards your retirement. The second part of the strategy is increasing your income. This could be through negotiating a raise, starting a side hustle, or even investing in your education to switch to a higher-paying job. The idea here is to create multiple streams of income that can be channeled towards your retirement fund. However, saving and earning more is just half the battle. You also have to make your money work for you, which brings us to the third part of the strategy, investing wisely. This involves putting your money into investment vehicles that can grow your wealth over time. Diversification is key here. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate. If this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. There are numerous resources out there to help you navigate the world of investing, from books and online courses to financial advisors. Remember, investing is not about getting rich quick. It's about consistent growth over time. And while there is always some level of risk involved, a well-diversified portfolio can help mitigate these risks and provide a more stable return on investment. As you embark on this journey, always keep your retirement goals in sight. Every financial decision you make should align with these goals. It's not just about the destination, but also about the journey. And with a solid saving and investment strategy, this journey can be a rewarding one. A well-thought-out saving and investment strategy can significantly speed up your journey to early retirement. Financial planning for early retirement is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Your financial plan is a living, breathing entity that needs to be nurtured and adjusted as your life evolves. Think of it as a garden. You wouldn't plant your seeds and then never water or prune them, would you? Just as a garden must be tended to and adjusted based on the seasons and the needs of the plants, your financial plan requires regular reviews and adjustments. Whether it's a change in income, an unexpected expense, or a shift in your retirement goals, life can throw you curveballs. Adapting your plan to these changes ensures that it stays relevant and effective. It's about staying proactive, not reactive. So make it a habit to review your plan at least once a quarter. Remember, the goal is not just to retire early, but to live comfortably too. Regular reviews ensure your plan stays relevant and effective. So that's it. A simple guide to developing a financial plan for early retirement. In this video, we've broken down the process into 4 manageable steps that anyone can follow. First, we discussed the importance of understanding early retirement. It's not just about stopping work, it's about living a fulfilling life, free from financial stress. Next, we looked at assessing your current financial status. This is the foundation of your financial plan. Knowing where you stand today will help you map out where you need to go. It involves understanding your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Then we moved on to setting your retirement goals. This is where you decide what you want your retirement to look like. Do you want to travel the world? Perhaps you're interested in starting a small business or pursuing a hobby full-time. Your goals will dictate how much you need to save and invest to achieve your desired lifestyle in retirement. We also talked about developing a saving and investment strategy. This is the engine that will drive your financial plan. It's about consistently saving a portion of your income and investing it wisely to grow your wealth over time. Lastly, we highlighted the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan. Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changes. Regular reviews will ensure that you're on track to meet your retirement goals. Putting all these steps together creates a solid financial plan for early retirement. It may seem daunting at first, but remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today, and before you know it, you'll be well on your way to living comfortably in early retirement. We hope this guide has been helpful and has inspired you to take control of your financial future. The path to early retirement may not be easy, but with a solid plan and a bit of discipline, it's certainly possible. Thank you for joining us today at House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy planning.